The doctrine of judicial review is the power of the judiciary to interpret the Constitution and strike down any law that is inconsistent with the Constitution. It ensures the supremacy of the Constitution by giving the judiciary the power to declare any law that conflicts with the Constitution to be void and unenforceable. This doctrine helps to prevent the legislature from passing unconstitutional laws and ensures that the Constitution remains the supreme law of the land. A writ and an appeal are two different legal remedies available in the judicial system. A writ is typically a request for a court to exercise its extraordinary power, usually to protect a person's rights against government action. Examples include writs of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, and certiorari. An appeal is a request to a higher court to review and overturn a decision made by a lower court. The purpose of an appeal is to correct errors made during a trial and ensure that justice is served. The Indian judiciary is organized into three levels: the Supreme Court at the top, followed by high courts at the state level, and below them are subordinate courts. The Supreme Court of India is the highest and final court of appeal in the country, comprised of the Chief Justice of India and other judges who are appointed by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister. Each state has a high court to administer justice at the state level. These high courts have jurisdiction over the subordinate courts in the state. Below the high courts are the subordinate courts, such as district courts, sessions courts, magistrate courts, and small. The Supreme Court of India plays a crucial role in upholding the principles of democracy and protecting individual rights. As the highest court in the country, it has the responsibility to ensure that the fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution are protected and upheld. The Supreme Court has the power to issue writs such as habeas corpus and mandamus, which can be used to protect the rights of individuals against government action. Additionally, the Supreme Court has the power to review and strike down laws and government actions that are deemed unconstitutional or in violation of individuals' rights. Through its judgments and rulings, the Supreme Court serves as a guardian of the Constitution and a defender of democracy.